Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Today, I am bringing to you my second Dollar Tree haul of August. And I gotta tell you, I found some amazing new items at the Dollar Tree, and I found some items that I will be using in upcoming DIYs. So let's jump into it and let me show you some of the amazing new items that the Dollar Tree is carrying that are really great buys. Dollar Tree's already got their autumn and harvest decor out, and they've got some really cool new items. So let's jump into it. Make sure to head on over to Alli's channel this week to see all the great finds that she found at the Dollar Tree as well. You can find the link to her video in the description box below. Alrighty, I'm gonna start this Dollar Tree off with the Halloween decor that I got. I didn't get too much. What I did get was stuff that Alli wanted for around the house. I don't personally decorate a lot for Halloween. I do put some stuff out for Alli to make it fun for her. So when she saw these skeleton birds and this skeleton rat, it was a must-have for her. And how about these stinking adorable glass spider, either votive or tea holders? These were so stinking cute. I have never seen these at the Dollar Tree in previous Halloween seasons, and so this was definitely a must-buy. In these jack-o'-lantern, votive, or tea holders, aren't these stinking cute? On to the autumn and harvest items that I found at the Dollar Tree. They had some amazing ceramic pumpkins. They had a pretty big variety. This white and yellow is beautiful with gold glitter. This solid white with the green leaf. This color scheme seems to be all the new rage for this harvest and autumn season. I was loving this green and brown. And of course, I had to pick up all brown because that is what goes with the decor of my home. These were another fun pumpkin. This Happy Harvest, Hello Fall, and Thankful and Blessed. These are a fun little piece just to add to any shelves that you may have in an entertainment center. This pumpkin chalkboard, how cute is that? I am loving this. So rustic and farmhouse, loving the twine and the burlap. This Harvest Blessings decor sign, I loved this because of the sunflowers. And these pumpkin plaques with a stand are another fun item just to place in an entertainment center or on a counter. Hello Fall and Welcome Friends. And how about these glitter maple leaves? When you turn them over on the back, there's a clip to clip it onto something. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these. I picked up one of each color because they came in a 2-pack. And oh my word, felt autumn leaves. I am in heaven. Never seen these before in past harvest and autumn seasons, so I picked up 3 packs. There's 20 in a pack. There's a lot of red and yellow, but when you flip it over, there's yellow, browns, and greens as well. Not sure what I'm gonna do with these, but I will most definitely be incorporating these in an autumn DIY coming up here pretty soon. And this was another fantastic buy that I was super excited about, these burlap leaves. I picked up 2 in the green, a burgundy, and an orange. 5 come in each pack. And I also picked up the last 3 packs of these burlap leaves. I picked up 2 in the traditional brown and 1 in the orange burlap. And can I just tell you how excited I am that my Dollar Tree got these cotton bouquets in with the pine cones. When I saw Bargain Bethany with these, it was definitely something I knew I needed to keep my eye open for. Picked up 5 bunches of these. And yes, my Dollar Tree got the cotton stems in. Super excited. I see many farmhouse DIYs in my future using these. And these metal tins, I am loving these with the sunflower. The owl is so adorable. And the scarecrow. How fun are these? Picked up 2 rolls of this iridescent ribbon in this copper and gold. There are 6 yards in each roll. And this pure gold. How gorgeous is this? And it is 6 inches wide. Picked up this salted caramel candle. I picked it up because it was brown, it smelled amazing, and it is a 7-ounce candle, which is a pretty decent size for $1. This is a set of dishes that I have been on the lookout for, so when I saw these, I was super excited to find them. All I found so far is the bowl and the mug. I am definitely on the lookout for the plate. And they also have this matching glass, and I love the shape of this. How different and fun is this? And the wine glasses. Found these amazing mugs that are actually square. They are very heavy duty. I love a nice tall big mug for my coffee. This one came in the dark brown and light brown. These mugs remind me of a mug and dishware that my grandma had. They also had it in the dark blue and brown. And I am loving this green and brown. Fun mugs for the motorhome for hot cocoa and coffee when we're camping. Around this time of year, I like to pick up these foil storage containers because I think that they make for great containers after Thanksgiving and Christmas when you have an overabundance of food left over and you want to disperse it to everybody so they can take some home and you're not sending them home with your plastic containers. Dollar Tree carries these around this time of year. They come in a 3 and 4 pack in several different sizes. And so I picked up 3 different sets of these. I also picked up this brown set of glass beads with this 8-pack of storage containers that I will be putting these in once I use them in an upcoming DIY. 2 packs of these glass gemstones. These are the medium size gemstone that have a flat back and a rounded top. I will also be using these in an upcoming DIY. Some green wired burlap ribbon. 3 of these organizing tray bins. These will also be used in an upcoming DIY. I also found this fun yarn. I thought that this would be a fun yarn to make baby hats out of because I will be donating hats to the hospital here pretty soon, and for $1 a skein, you can't beat that. I found 3 new stencils at the Dollar Tree. These are a fun stencil to add to a kid's room or a bathroom as a wall border. Very easy to do using acrylic paint. I also found these adhesive letters. These are a great buy. They are waterproof. You can apply them to mugs or glasses and you can wash them. Not something that I put in the dishwasher, something I'd hand wash. Picked up 2 packs of these. And lastly, I picked up a set of these LED tea candles that are waterproof for an upcoming DIY.
And today's shoutouts go to Dolly Smith, Jeanette and Melissa Wise, Looming Nana, who is a supporter of Alli, Kayla, and I's channels, Elizabeth Dindle, who is new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Jamie Puff, and Brenda Judge.
And like I told you, there is some awesome new buys at the Dollar Tree, and I think this year they are really stepping up their game. Although they're bringing the harvest and autumn decor in a bit early, if it's something you're interested in, you might want to jump on it as soon as your Dollar Tree gets it in, because I don't know how often they restock the seasonal items. So it is definitely something you're going to want to keep your eye open for, and when you see it, get it if it's something you want. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.